So guys, Shane's Gains here. Today we're going to be looking at the Element 26 self-locking weighted belt. So my last belt, it was just Velcro, and it's the Velcro is coming off. So I did some research on, what is a good belt. What would be a good belt to look at, and I finally decided on this self-locking belt, and I saw some videos on it on Amazon, but I wanted to try it out myself. So basically there's two sets of, I guess, locking, as you could call it. So basically it goes around your waist. Goes around your waist like a regular belt would. I don't know if you can see it, but there's two bars here. So it goes around here. Get to where you're comfortable. Put it about in the midsection above your belly button. And you have it the way you want it. Put this side, the Velcro on the bottom, through in between the silver and black bar. Get it the way you want. Get it comfortable. Pull it as tight as you need, so that way you're comfortable. So, let's see, if I do a squat, so the Velcro's not on, it's supposed to be a self-tightening belt. If I do a squat, okay, so it stays on. Cool, so let's tighten it just a little bit. Okay, Velcro's still off. Okay, it's not going to come off, so let's put the Velcro on. So here we go. Now let's try it. Okay, cool. I like this. It's kind of unique that it's, even if this came on, I didn't feel it loosen. So that's really cool. They have different colors and stuff. I get green because it's my favorite color. So take it off. I guess you just feed it through. Just feed it through. Lower the black bar here. And that's it. That's a cool little belt.